welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. Today is day 14 of FACEMASKTOBER and we are going to be doing a fun one today. So we have the Maskology Pucker Up Lip Plumping Kit, and to be completely honest, I am super nervous about trying this because I do not want my lips to be on fire, but we're going to do it. I'm going to see what happens. I have no idea if this is intense like that or not. I haven't watched any videos on any of the masks that I have done so far because I want to do it first for the first time and not know what other people's experiences were. So yeah, I have literally no idea what to expect, but it does have an exfoliating lip scrub as step 1. It has a lip mask as step 2, and then step 3 is a lip plumper. Now normally something like this I think you would do before or as you're getting ready, that way your lips are plumped for your look that you're wearing that day. However, we're not going to do that. We're just going to do this mask. I do want to go to the gym sometime today, so I guess I'll have plump lips for the gym, but other than that, I guess I really didn't want to try this before I actually went out to eat or something, just in case it did hurt and maybe it did something to my lips that I didn't like. So yeah, no, this is just going to be an experimental thing. We're going to go and get started. It says the step 1 is the exfoliating scrub. So directions are: with clean hands, apply the scrub to lips, gently massage in a circular motion to exfoliate. Remove the scrub with a moistened washcloth or cotton pad. I don't have a cotton pad in here, so we'll just have to go wash it off. Step 2 is down here, the mask. It says carefully place mask over lips. Relax for 15 to 20 minutes with mask in place. Remove the mask and discard. No need to rinse. Massage remaining essence into the lips. In step 3, apply the plumping gloss to lips. If desired, follow up with lipstick. Treatment can act as a great primer. So I am kind of weirded out that the plumper is in a little package thing, so I guess you're just gonna have to apply it with your hands. I suppose I do have a lip brush we can use, but yeah, I don't really know how else you would do that. See, pamper your palette with this 3-step kit for smoother and plumper lips. This 3-step kit includes everything you'll need for smoother, plumper lips instantly. It just says exfoliating scrub and collagen lip mask delivers smooth to hydrate the lips. Finally, the hydraulic acid and menthol lip plumping gloss seals in all the hydration while adding extra plump to your pout. So we need step 1, and I do have a little container here, so I'm going to just cut that open and squeeze the exfoliant out. Okay, so there's really not a whole lot in there. This is the amount that was in there, so it's not a whole lot. I'm going to put it on with the brush just because I've got these ridiculous nails on right now. Not sure why I'm trying to do a nice job of putting it on when I'm just going to scrub it around. Okay. So, I'm just going to be honest, I feel like that's barely doing anything. It needs to have more of the actual exfoliant in it. My nose itches. So, I'm actually going to, I have sugar that I keep in the bathroom for this purpose, so I'm actually going to go grab some of that, put it on my lips, scrub it around, wash it off, and then we'll be right back. Alright, so we got that washed off. That's my best recommendation. Normally what I'll do is, if I really need to scrub my lips, I'll put Vaseline or really hydrating chapstick or something like that on my lips before I get in the shower, and then when I get out of the shower, I'll take sugar and I'll just scrub my lips and wash it off, and they're usually really soft and smooth. That doing it in the shower kind of heats it up, melts it a little bit into your skin, into your lips, and then the sugar obviously helps scrub off all the dead skin, and your lips are usually really soft after that. And then I usually follow it up again with chapstick. So, and I usually shower at night, so that works for me because then I can wear the chapstick overnight. Just do whatever works best for you. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the actual mask part. I'm very curious to see what this looks like. Most of the masks I have seen for your lips have been kind of like a gel. looks like it'll be the same. It's always so hard to get out of here. So it comes in like this little wrap. Open that. Little piece on here. That is the lip part right there. So it is just like the gel. I don't think there is a right or wrong way, but there definitely is the tiniest little slit for your mouth. So apparently there is no talking while you have this on. I don't feel like there's a right or wrong way, but for some reason I'm going to turn it that way. There's a little hole to breathe, so no talking while this is on. I would not do this if you had a stuffy nose. Alright, we'll be back in 20 minutes. Okay. Time to take the mask off. I've actually had it on for over 20 minutes. It's been 35 minutes I've had it on. I accidentally left my phone in here and I didn't hear it go off, and then I got to start thinking, I'm like, it's been a while. So I went and grabbed my phone, and sure enough, it was 15 minutes past the time. Now, I'm not gonna lie, my lips actually feel dry after wearing that. And it did fall off once. I was washing out this thing. So I was at my sink and it fell off into the sink, and I kind of was like, I don't really know if I want to put that back on my lips, but I did. So it is time for the lip plumper now. That is some juicy lip serum. So that's the serum. Not hurting yet, just feels oily. There's honestly so much that you could probably save this. I think that's what I'll try to do. I'm starting to feel a little bit of a tingly sensation now. It just feels like menthol basically on your lips, like that minty kind of feeling. I guess we'll give it a few minutes here. Yeah, menthol lip, so it does have menthol in it. Okay, so I've had this on for probably at least 5 minutes now, and it is not burning, so I am relieved that it's not burning because I was afraid of that, but I honestly don't feel like it did anything. It definitely has moisturized my lips. I kind of feel like that serum is more oily than anything, and I mean, it does have the menthol in it, so I mean, it does smell good and it feels good, but I don't feel like it has done anything to plump your lips. As I'm sitting here writing stuff down from the last makeup video that I did, that obviously is not up yet, I have my Hard Candy Max Pout Plumping Serum, and this does a lot more than this does. Of course, this is a little bit more money, but this isn't like a one-time use thing. This I can get several uses out of, as opposed to this is supposed to be one time, even though there is some left, but it's not doing anything, so why would I put it on again? So that'll probably get washed out down the drain. Oof. So yeah, that's everything for this mask. I don't think I would buy this again because it just literally just didn't do anything. It was fun and was interesting that it was 3 steps, although that exfoliator just wasn't enough. I ended up using sugar, the the gel mask, lip mask, it actually fell off and it kind of felt like it was drying almost. And then this just, the actual serum for the lip plumping, just really didn't do anything at all. So, which, once again, I'm glad that it's not burning my lips off, but at the same time, it also didn't do anything. So that is everything for this mask. Let me know if you have tried it yet, or if you're going to go try it. Please thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed yet, do so now. That way you don't miss out on my future videos. And until tomorrow's next FACEMASKTOBER video, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody.